Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see digital objects in the real world or step into a completely different reality? Well, that's exactly what augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, do. In today's video, we'll break down what AR and VR are, how they work, and where you might already be using them, even without realizing it. So, let's dive in. What is augmented reality, AR? AR is a technology that adds digital elements to the real world. Instead of replacing reality, it enhances it. Examples of AR in daily life: Snapchat and Instagram filters. Ever tried those funny face filters? That's AR. Pokemon Go, catching Pokemon in real-world locations? Yep, AR at work. Google Maps AR mode shows arrows on streets to help you navigate. IKEA Place app, see how furniture looks in your home before buying. How AR works: AR uses cameras, sensors, and AI software to detect real-world objects and overlay digital content on top of them. You can experience AR using smartphones, AR glasses, and smart headsets like Microsoft HoloLens. What is virtual reality, VR? Unlike AR, virtual reality, VR, takes you into a fully digital world, cutting you off from reality. With a VR headset, you step into a 360-degree immersive environment where everything around you is computer-generated. Examples of VR in daily life: gaming. Ever played Beat Saber? That's a popular VR game. VR training. Pilots, soldiers, and doctors use VR simulations for practice. Virtual tourism. Explore historical sites and distant places from home. VR therapy, used for treating PTSD, anxiety, and even phobias. How VR works: VR uses headsets, motion sensors, and controllers to create a lifelike experience. Some advanced systems even use haptic feedback, vibrations, to make interactions feel more real. Applications of AR and VR. AR is used in gaming, Pokemon Go, AR escape rooms, healthcare, AR assisted surgeries, medical training, education, interactive AR textbooks, retail, virtual try-ons for clothes, shoes, and makeup. VR is used in gaming, full immersion in digital worlds. Training, VR for pilots, soldiers, doctors. Education, virtual classrooms, historical site explorations. Healthcare, VR therapy for anxiety and PTSD. Challenges and limitations of AR and VR. Cost: AR glasses and VR headsets can be expensive. Motion sickness: some people feel dizzy when using VR. Hardware requirements: AR needs strong processing power for real-time rendering. Privacy concerns: AR collects real-world data, which raises security issues. The future of AR and VR. Augmented reality: smarter AR glasses with AI-powered overlays. Smart contact lenses that display digital data directly on your eye. Advanced AR shopping experiences where you can try products virtually. Virtual reality: more realistic VR with AI-driven characters and environments. Wireless VR headsets for better movement. Virtual workspaces where people can hold meetings in a 3D digital space. Conclusion: so, which one is better, AR or VR? Well, it depends on what you need. If you want to enhance real life, AR is perfect. If you want to escape into a completely new world, VR is the way to go. As technology advances, both AR and VR will continue to change our daily lives, from how we learn and work to how we play and shop. Which one do you find more exciting? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech videos. See you in the next one.